Hi everyone, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can take the screenshot on an iPhone 14 series device. So the most conventional way to do that is by simultaneously tapping or pressing the side power key and volume up button. Just press them at the same time and then momentarily release. Just like so, I guess. Yeah, my phone case is kind of messing up with me being able to press the side power button, but that's fine. So that's the easiest, the quickest way of making a screenshot. There is also the second option, which you can activate by going into the settings, then entering the accessibility category. In here, go for the touch section, scroll the page all the way down and head straight for the back tab, configurations and preferences. You can assign the screenshot either at the back double or triple tap. I'll go with double tap because it takes less effort, obviously. In here, choose the screenshot option and let's just go ahead and test it out. Now you can double tap the back of your smartphone and the screenshot gets successfully taken. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.